Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'll be showing you the ways to log in into your Barclays mobile banking app. So then to log in into your Barclays mobile banking app, first of all, you need to go ahead and open up your respective app store and then go ahead and install the application. Once done installing the application, click the open button and then go ahead and tap on. So in my case, I'm going to use the web browser. So type in Barclays. And then on the web address bar, type in www.barclays.co.uk. It's going to take you to this page where you need to accept all of the terms and conditions. So then to log in, click the login button from the top right hand side corner, and right on this page you need to go ahead and enter in your last name, membership number. On the other field, you might have to answer in some of the security questions. Go ahead and enter in that, and then you'll have successfully logged into your Barclays mobile banking app. So that's how you can log in into your Barclays mobile banking app. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.